Guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Our video for today is we're going to cook the spaghetti. Ayan, look at this mga kalindog. Ayan, magluto tayo ng spaghetti. Okay? So, i-vlog natin yan. There we go. Tapos, let's eat mga kalindog. O, diba? So, there we go mga kalindog. Ayan, of course, meron din tayong nilutong sauce. Ayan. This sauce, they called arrabbiata. Ayan, guys, pakita ko sa inyo para mas clear dito. Wait, ha. Kunin natin ang ating, ayan, ating stand box. Ayan. Mga kalindog, I did this stand box. O, diba? Charot. Para meron tayong pang stand ng ating video. Ayan. So, look at this. Ayan mga kalindog. There we go. O, ayan, diba? Kita nyo. So, ayan mga kalindog. Habang tayo nagba-vlogs, ayan, magluto tayo ng spaghetti. Well, hindi nyo kita tong spaghetti. Wait, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo para mas lalong bongga. Ayan. Wait lang mga kalindog. Hindi nyo nakikita, no? Wait. They cannot see here. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog. Ayan, ang ating nilulutong spaghetti. So, ayan mga kalindog. Hintayin natin siyang maluto. And then, we will going to eat this pasta arrabbiata. Pasta arrabbiata or spaghetti arrabbiata is a kind of, you know, the sauce is, they have a, like this guys, itong alishi or, ano ba tawag dito? Sardines. Ayan, the small sardines. Ayan. I put some like this and olive oil. Ay, oh my God. Nag-init yung. I just turned on the other one here. Ayan. The sauce is, ayan, like this. The alishi, olive oil, and olive, and kapire. I don't know what's kapire, mga kalindog. Ito, this is also the one of the ingredients. Ayan, kapire. This is it. Ayan, kapire and this. So, ayan, tapos nilagyan natin ng konting sili. Ayan, masarap yan. So, tingnan natin later kapag naluto na. Right? So, ayan mga kalindog. Pagluto na siya, kain tayo. Mag-vlog din tayo habang nakain. So, right? Okay. Ang ating pasta. There we go. So, let's clear na ang ating pasta. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ilagay na natin dito siya. So, we can eat later. Ayan, mga kalindog. Lagay na natin siya dito. So, magtira tayo ng konti para sa ating dog. Ayan. Kasi, gusto ko kumakain din ng aking dog. Ayan. So, there we go, mga kalindog. At lagay natin dito ating pasta para sa dog. So, ayan mga kalindog, look at here, oh. Diba? Nakikita nyo? Ayan. Stir na natin sila. Ayan, hanggang maluto na siya. Masarap siya mga kalindog. Kainin natin later on. Imukbang natin yan. There we go mga kalindog. Our spaghetti arrabbiata is done. So let's eat or make mukbang. Oh my God. Ang bigat. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ha. So there we go guys. Mga kalindog, look at this. Oh, diba? Ang sarap ng kanyang sauce. Yan ang tinatawag na arrabbiata. So So, ayan mga kalindog, let's make mukbang. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap mga kalindog, di ba? So, kain tayo ng ating spaghetti na arrabbiata. Imukbang natin to. Ayan. So, while we're eating, let's say hi to all my member. Ayan, Jerry Dalwin, Bakerstock, and of course, si Accord. Ayan. Who else? I don't know who's the other. So, by the way, hi all. Ayan, si Christy Vlogs. Ayan. Guys, thank you ha. Thank you. And of course, let's say hi to Kevin also. Kevin. Ayan, hi. And of course, Bakerstock. And of course, my Liva Marvin. Hi, Marvin. My baby boy. And of course, Rosario. Ayan, hi, Rosario. My big boy. Ayan. And of course, sino pa? Let's say all hi to everyone. So, while I'm eating. Sino pa ba? Let's say hi to, of course, ayan si Tropang Henyo Vlog, si Cecil, si Annalyn. Ayan, hi to you all. Ayan, no? Thank you. Yummy guys. Kaya lang napaalat. Maalat kasi yung the olive is salty and I put some salt in the spaghetti. But anyway, ayan. It's okay but it's good. So yummy. You know guys, life is too short. Let's enjoy life, no? And ayan, what I need to say, don't be always negative. Ayan, we have to be always positive, guys. You know, 2024 is you know, we need to be always positive. Ayan. Yummy. Ayan mga kalindog. And of course, let's say hi of all. Don't forget also to Justin. Ayan, Justin. Hi, my boy. Ayan. How are you, Justin? Ang sarap, guys. Mga kalindog, I really do enjoy my noodles. Ayan. Diba? Ang sarap. This is my favorite, mga kalindog, actually. This type of pasta with arrabbiata sauce. So this will be my lunch and dinner. So ayan, no mga kalindog. Sino pa? Let's say hi to all. Ayan. So ayan mga kalindog, I do enjoy my pasta or my arrabbiata. See you later. Ayan. Yummy. Ayan mga kalindog. You know why I'm doing this again? Vlogging. Because I don't have no work for how many months. So I feel depressed. But anyway, so it's better the YouTube. YouTube can help me so I can talk because I'm alone. So YouTube can help me to talk and to make live or to make this vlog. Ayan. So anyway, I forget all my but I don't have any problem, guys, huh? But I feel only sad because of the weather. You know, here in Europe, it's so cold. Ayan. Laging you're always alone, and you see. And thanks God I have also dog, so I can bring always down the dog with me. So ayan, nag-enjoy ako. So ayan, let's continue my food, guys. My member, hi Court member, Court Buro. Hi Court Buro. Thank you. Ayan, I love you. Thank you Court Buro for being my member. And then of course, Daniel Gaim. Daniel, where are you from? Sometime Daniel Gaim. Can you please write me sometime so I can always say you hi. Daniel Game. Thank you also. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, thank you for your being my member. Ayan, of course, si Big Daddy na si Baker's Stock. Ayan. Thank you ha, Daniel, Kurt Barrow, Daniel Game, and Baker. Thank you so much. So, ayan. Thank you, Kurt Barrow, and Daniel Game, Big Daddy Baker's Stock. Ayan, thank you guys. Ayan. So, guys, I hope did you enjoy my video. My mukbang spaghetti. So, ayan guys, it's almost done. Ayan, but please, all here, don't forget to subscribe, please. So, ayan guys, so I almost done. Thank you. I really do enjoy with my pasta or my spaghetti with arrabbiata. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope did you enjoy my video. I'm done. So guys, don't forget to smile. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you all.